Hello everyone and welcome to another WebFlow tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to install the TikTok pixel in a WebFlow website. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content. So thank you very much in advance and let's get started. So step number one, we are going to come here in our WebFlow website. We're going to click on the top left hand side and we are going to select site settings. Once we select site settings, then we are going to go to custom code. Now here in custom code, you are going to see basically some placeholders where you can insert tracking codes in your WebFlow website. So you can see here a placeholder for header codes, another placeholder for body tags and so forth. Now in here, we're going to paste our TikTok pixel. A quick note here. So this is option number one. Option number two is to install the Google Tag Manager first, and then we can install TikTok Pixel with Google Tag Manager. But today we are explaining how to install TikTok Pixel directly into a WebFlow website. So you're going to come here in custom code, and in here we're going to paste the tracking code. Where are we going to find this tracking code? We are going to go to our TikTok Ads Manager. Here we're going to select Tools, and we're going to open the Events Manager. So in here in the Events Manager, we're going to find our pixel or create a pixel in case we don't have one. We're going to copy the tracking code and we're going to install it in our WebFlow website. So in here in the TikTok Events Manager, we're going to select Data Sources. And here we're going to select our pixel and we need to find our pixel tracking code. So once we select our pixel, then we are going to go to Settings right here. Then we're going to scroll a little bit down and here we're going to install base code. So we're going to click on view instructions. Here we're going to find the pixel tracking code. We're going to copy this and then we are going to go back to our WebFlow settings, and in the header or in the body, it's your choice, it's the same thing. We are going to paste the TikTok pixel tracking code. We are going to click save and that's it. Now, one more time, there are two ways to insert a TikTok pixel in a WebFlow website. So option number one, you are going to install the TikTok pixel directly. Option number two, you're not going to install it directly. You're going to do it through Google Tag Manager. So that's it. That's all for this video. That's how you can set up TikTok pixel in a WebFlow website. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, the link's in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.